It's burning your 7 away. It's almost all gone. Okay, I'll take it back.
What a
and
pretty
cut it.
cake.
Is this you?
Yeah.
Audrey made it.
Audrey made your cake.
It was supposed to have chocolate ganache, but I got too tired.
Did you get? Yeah. Okay. My good wrap.
Yeah, I
gift.
brought it.
Here it is.
Here.
Who wants? You want cake?
Just a little bit.
Ice cream?
Sure. Thank you.
I made that just for you.
She's a liar. She made Dad's, so.
She made the cake.
And she made Dad's and she didn't make mine.
I didn't have time.
That's what happens when you're the mother.
Sewing cards too.
A sewing card.
Thank you.
Uh-oh.
Thank you, thank you. Surprise, surprise.
Well, Mom picked some jewelry out of a catalog for her birthday, so we just
I'm
copied the
getting
picture
these.
out
Here's
since we don't have
here's
it
my
yet.
From 2 different
It's
people.
on order.
That doesn't mean that's all for me.
Right.
Thanks, Bree.
I am starting to save all my cards now so I can make cards.
Oh, is that what you do? I mean, like,
Well, I'm finding out that it's easier if you find stuff you can cut off of other cards and paste it on
there you
It's
go.
the biggest card I've
other
found.
cards.
Cards are so expensive.
They are.
Oh, you are my sunshine.
Oh, that's cute for the.
I showed her the card I found for you and I went, nah, 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 nah. And she said, so what, my sweet baby?
I don't like the wide angle lens.
Boys and girls.
I gotta get like a zoom lens or something.
I want to see what I got.
Here, Joey.
Whatever you picked out.
Take it with the 74 right in front of her.
I'm just taking video.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
They're all in pictures.
We're just all telling you what to do.
Yeah, I know. Notice.
How's it
Joey.
feel like having 4 mothers or 5?
Joey.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I have a bunch more.
Whose is this?
Now,
Who cares?
It's warm.
Yeah.
I put mine in the thing.
It should be thrown out then. It's obviously.
New one.
No, I finished mine and put it in the thing.
Oh, it's a scrap. And how personable all these are.
Let me see.
It's Scrabble thing.
Oh, from your Scrabble friends.
How cute, Kathy. That's so cute.
Aren't I talented?
I love Scrabble.
I know. That's why I picked that one.
Beautiful.
I love you too.
Dave.
Scrabble, I know.
His wife's
I can't wait till you see this.
Better watch her. She'll be breaking these off and putting them in her pocket and she don't.
Oh, Betty Boop.
American Girl. Oh, that's
so
cute.
It's a Betsy Johnson original.
She would like that.
Yeah.
If it was skin, if it was skin tight.
You got to wear that Monday morning.
I cut down.
Very nice.
Okay.
Mom's
Yeah.
Scrabble.
Mm-hmm.
This is cute.
Okay, anybody who wants ice cream, raise their hand.
Take the cake.
What kind? Wait, what kind?
2, 3, 4,
I do. I want cake and ice
5.
cream.
What kind of ice cream? You got Oreos in it?
Vanilla. No, but just plain old vanilla.
Can you put some Oreos in it?
No, I have no orange.
Does
No
this play
cookies?
music?
I don't want any then.
Can you put graham
Yeah.
crackers
What about
in it?
Captain Crunch?
Okay.
Yeah, that'll do it.
How many people want cake?
We have Saunders foot.
Oh, and
Pour that
cream
on the
puffs.
cake.
I want ice cream and cake.
Okay. So I got 5 ice creams and only 2 cake hands. Kathy?
Cake.
you had it?
No, cake and ice cream.
Cake
Then
and
you come in with me, Beth.
I'll go help you serve the cake.
And bring it outside. You guys don't want any?
We know better.
Trev, what's your favorite pie?
Oh, there we go.
It's helpful.
What's your 2 favorite pies?
Okay.
That's what he got.
We all picked out what we wanted and gave it to you so that in like 5 years you get back to us.
Will you pass out your stuff?
I did.
We had a party. She brought all the jewelry she didn't want. And we had to play cards
we
for
had
it.
to pick the highest card.
That's awesome,
They
actually.
got to pick
3 parts.
Oh, okay. Good idea.
No, she
That's
put
where
all
I
the
got my
earrings
ring
on. She
from.
said, okay, who's got the highest card? You get to pick first now. You're
Oh,
Jack.
that's a good idea.
You're 8.
You know.
That was fair.